Hello everyone, how are you all? Fit and fine? I am also fit and fine. So today I am going to discuss a number system question. This question is related to number system and this question is concept basis. Means that if your concept is crystal clear, then you can solve these questions. Okay. So firstly look at this question. Find the smallest positive integer. Positive integer means every term we should know that what does it mean. Okay. Positive integer means value is not in decimal. Value is perfect. Means that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This types of number is a perfect positive integer. But if we say that 1.2, 1.3, no, this types of value is not a positive integer. This is a decimal number. Okay. So positive integer means n. Okay. So n is greater equal 10. It is must be necessary. Means that value of n is either 10 or 11 or 12 and so on. Okay. Such that n plus 6 is a prime number. N plus 6 is a prime number. Okay. And 9n plus 7 is a perfect square. 9n plus 7 is a perfect square. So we can assume that x is that number and x is a perfect square. Okay. So how to find the value of n? It is must be necessary that we should know that about prime number. What is prime number? A prime number is adjective factor. First is 1 and second is itself. Mr. that number. N is greater equal than. See this equation. N plus 6 is a prime number. So we can say that n must be odd. N must be odd. Why? Why n must be odd? Because if we put the value of n is even number, then even plus even is equal to even number. And except 2, no any even number is a prime number. So we cannot put even number here. We can put odd number here. Okay. So see this equation. 9 is a odd number into 9 into n is odd number. Plus 7 is odd number. So we know that odd into odd is equal to odd. Then 3 into 7, 21. 21 is odd. So we can multiply two odd number. So we found out the result odd. So odd into odd plus odd. So if the odd number if odd number, two both odd number are adding each other, then we found the result even number. So odd plus odd is equal to even. So even number. So we found that x must be even number. X must be even number. So we solve this equation. Odd into odd plus odd. Odd plus odd is equal to even. So x, the result is even number. So x must be even number. Okay. Here all things are clear. So go to next concept. 9 plus 7 is equal to x square. We found the value of n. We find the value of n. So n is equal to what? N is equal to what from this equation? X square minus 7 divided by 9. We can write this equation in this form. Okay. So x must be even number. So x must be even number. So x is start with 12. How to start with 12? Because if we put 10 square 100 minus 7 divided by 9. So it is in decimal form. also less than 10, because we should know that value of n is must be 10 or 11 or 12 or 13, but in positive integer. So if we put the value of 10 square minus 7, 93. So 93 by 7, 93 by 9. So result is in decimal, so it is not possible. So find the 12, 144, 144 minus 7, also not divided by 9. So next value 14, it is not answer. 14 ka square, 14 ka square, 196. 196 minus 7, 196 minus 7 to 189, 189 by 9 divided by 9. What result? 1, 2, 1, 21. So value of n is 21 when we put the value of x equal to 14. So if this equation is satisfied, this question n value is 21. If we put this value in this equation, so n is equal to 21. 21 plus 6, 27. 27 is not a prime number. We know that because it become a composite number. So it is not a possible. So 14 is not possible. So come out 16. 16. No, 16 is not possible. 16 ka square 256. 256 minus 7 divided by 9. So this form is in decimal. Also 18 is not possible. Also 20 is not possible. Also 22. 22 ka square. 22 ka square 44. 484 minus 7 divided by 9. So 484 minus 7, 477 divided by 9. So what's the result? 9 5 the 45 to 9 3. So here the value of n is 53. So n is value 53 where when we put the value of x is 22. So x is 22, the value of n is 53. We put this value in this equation. 53 plus 6 is equal to 59. Is 59 is a prime number? Yeah, 59 is a prime number. So what? So find the smallest positive integer. Then which is the smallest positive integer? That is 53. Means that value of n is 53. Then both equations will be satisfied. Okay. So these types of questions are asking in different types of examination. If your concept is clear and crystal, then you can solve this question. Okay. So we'll meet you in next session with a new concept and new questions. Thank you so very much and have a nice day, all of you. Bye bye.